Hello everyone. Our team believes school should be open for only half a week. I'll define half a week into 3 days a week. Let's listen my introduction first. First, I'll introduce our team speakers. First, after me, James Lee will talk about children's rest time. Because if children go to school on whole week, they will be very boring and they won't have any rest time. Secondly, Aaron will talk about book and newspaper because when children go to school, they can't read books or newspapers, so that they can't have a knowledge which can't learn at school. Finally, David will talk about our old debate. From now on, I'll start to talk my opinion. Are you ready? Here we go. I'll say 2 reasons. In my school, my teacher never teaches us. So we can't learn better than academy. I think we should have a time to learn at academy. At academy, we can learn a lot of things which we can't learn easily at school. Teacher who doesn't teach students, so we should have a time to go academy, although we go school whole weeks. So we think children should have a rest time to do something. Other second reason is that children can discharge their stress because they don't go to school. When children go to school, they get a lot of stress at school. Some teachers are too strict to children can't do anything at school except study. So I think children should solve their problem at home or other place when they don't go to school. What problem? In example, stress by teacher or other bad friends at school. Because now some children don't want to go to school. So we think children should have a rest time to do something. Above all reasons, our opinion is school should be open for only 3 days a week. This is end of my introduction and opinion. Thank you for listening.